Welcome to Just English Today. Today, we will learn the 8 most common English prepositions. Prepositions are small but important words. They help us talk about places, time, direction, movement, and relationships. In this lesson, you will learn 8 common English prepositions with simple examples used in everyday English. Let's begin. First, let's learn the preposition in. The preposition in is used to talk about places, time, and something inside an area. Examples: in my bag, in the kitchen, in my pocket, in class, in bed, in the garden, in the picture, in winter, in English, in my notebook. Now, let's learn the preposition on. The preposition on is used for surfaces, days, and something touching or resting on another thing. Examples: on my desk, on the menu, on page 5, on television, on the calendar, on the screen, on the left, on Monday, on the weekend, on my phone. Next, let's learn the preposition at. The preposition at is used for specific places and exact points in time. Examples: at the library, at the supermarket, at the museum, at the bank, at the bus stop, at the doctor's office, at the reception, at the traffic light, at the corner, at the entrance. Now, let's learn the preposition by. The preposition by is used to show something near another place or the way we travel. Examples: by the lake, by the bridge, by the park, by the mailbox, by the entrance, by the elevator, by the fireplace, by the window, by the kitchen, by my side. Next, let's learn the preposition of. The preposition of is used to show connection, possession, or parts of something. Examples: a glass of milk, a bottle of water, a pair of shoes, a slice of pizza, the name of the street, the top of the mountain, the door of the house, the middle of the movie, the capital of France, the color of the sky. Now, let's learn the preposition for. The preposition for is used to show purpose, use, benefit, or a period of time. Examples: for breakfast, for dinner, for children, for everyone, for today, for school, for your family, for practice, for 1 hour, for a minute. Next, let's learn the preposition to. The preposition to is used to show direction, movement, or the receiver of an action. Examples: walk to school, drive to work, return to class, come to my house, travel to Italy, speak to the manager, go to the gym, give it to Sarah, send it to me, fly to Paris. Finally, let's learn the preposition from. The preposition from is used to show where something starts, comes from, or begins. Examples: from Canada, from London, from the airport, from the station, from my teacher.